Okay, ma, good morning one and all. In last classes we have seen the analytic function f of z and CR equations both in Cartesian and polar forms of CR equations. Now we come to the part B, next part. The first definition is Laplace equations. The equation of the form dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square pi by dou y square is equal to 0 is called Laplace equation. Or another symbol, pi is any function. Similarly, psi is also another function for any function. Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square is equal to 0. You let any function in place of pi, you will take psi or f or g or u, anyone. So just you remember this equation only. The equation of the form dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square pi by dou y square is equal to 0 is called Laplace equation. Next, harmonic function. A function which satisfies Laplace equation is called harmonic function. Here this equation is, see this equation, okay ma, harmonic function. A function which satisfies Laplace equation is called harmonic function. This is Laplace equation. It's phi satisfies Laplace equation. The functions u and v are said to be harmonic if they satisfies Laplace equation. Okay, u v are said to be harmonic if they satisfies Laplace equations. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. So u satisfies Laplace equation, so it is u is harmonic. Similarly, v satisfies Laplace equation. That means dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square. So v is also called harmonic function. So what is the harmonic definition? A function which satisfies Laplace equation is called harmonic function. Here the functions both u and v are harmonic because they satisfies Laplace equation. Okay. Next topic is construction of analytic function f of z. F of z is function which is analytic. Now we are going to construct this function. That means we are going to find f of z by using Milne-Thomson method. Here mainly we use two methods because what is f of z? U plus iv. U is real part and v is imaginary part. Okay. F of z is u plus iv. U plus iv. F of z is u plus iv. U, when u is given, we are going to find f of z. That is first part. Then v is given. Then construct the f of z. First see, when v is given, find f of z. Okay, first you, suppose u is given, we find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Okay, then differentiate, what we get ma? Okay ma, now you find the dou u by dou x. We have given u given, so you find the dou u by dou x and let this is pi 1. Let this is pi 1. Similarly, find dou u by dou y. Then it is pi 2. But in terms of z terms. Now f dash z is pi 1 z0 minus I pi 2 z0, not z1 z2. There is no z1 z2 terms. Just you let z only. No z1 z2. Okay ma, you let dou u by dou x is pi 1 z0, dou u by dou y is pi 2 z0, not 1 2 are there. Pi 1 z0, pi 2 z0. This is f dash z. Now integrate on both sides. We get, integrate on both sides. F dash z integration is f of z integral pi 1 z0 minus I pi 2 z0 dz. Now this is f of z. What is pi 1? Dou u by dou x is pi 1. What is pi 2? Dou u by dou y is pi 2. But in place of xy you put z0. Okay, dou u by dou x is in xy but z0. So problem వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. So equation 1, you remember this equation. What is this formula ma? When u is given, this is formula for f of z. So what is equation 1? This is formula to find f of z when u is given. Similarly, when v is given, find f of z. Same steps, you find, suppose v is given, find dou u by dou y and dou v by dou x. Then f dash z is this formula. You let dou v by dou x is pi 2, dou v by dou y is pi 1. Reverse ma. When u is given, dou u by dou x is pi 1, dou u by dou y is pi 2. Order is same. And x, y 1, 2 undi. But here x ki 2 వచ్చింది pi 2, y ki 1 వచ్చింది. Reverse అయినాయి, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Then the formula is similarly f dash z integrate. Don't ask the in examination, this is not important, but formula is important. Derivation is not asked in the examination. Just you remember the formula. On integration, this step becomes f of z is integral pi 1 z0 plus I pi 2 z0 dz. Okay ma, this is formula. Equation 2 indicates the formula for f of z when v is given. What is the formula here? F of z is equal to pi 1 z0, not 1 2 ma, just only it is 1 0. Pi 1, not 1 is there, just it is z0 and this is also z0. Okay, see here ma, what is this formula 1? When u is given, f of z is this formula. When v is given, f of z is this formula. But you remember, when u is given, in the formula minus I is there, but in v is given, in the formula you have plus I is there. But you remember, pi 1 means dou u by dou x, pi 2 means dou u by dou y when u is given. When v is given, pi 1 is dou v by dou y, second one is pi 1, and dou u by dou x, first one is pi 2. Okay ma, you remember these two formulas. Now we see the problems. Construction of f of z. First, when u is given, use the formula 1. You remember that pi 1, pi 2. Pi 1 is dou u by dou x, pi 2 is dou u by dou y. So now we see the formulas. Using these formulas, now we see the problems ma. Okay, see the first problem. Construction of an analytic function f of z when u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x plus 1 is given. Okay, okay, see the solution. Dou u by dou x is equal to, this is given 1 ma, u is equal to, only we have given u value. Now we find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou x with respect to x derivative of u? 3x square minus 3 into 1 into y square ante minus 3y square plus 3 into 1. This is dou u by dou x, but it is pi 1 xy. Dou u by dou x is pi 1 xy. Dou u by dou x is pi 1 xy. You remember. Dou u by dou y with respect to y. Dou u by dou y means 0 minus 3x constant, y square derivative 2y. This is 0, this is 0. So this only this term contains y. Now dou u by dou y is minus 6xy. This is pi 2. But dou u by dou x is in terms of pi 1 xy. We need pi 1 z0. In place of xy you put z0. See the next step. Dou u by dou x is equal to, actually this is pi 1 xy. In place of x you put z and in place of y you put 0. What you get? In place of this put x is z, 3z square. In place of y you put 0. So it is 0 plus 3 is there. This is pi 1 z0. And dou u by dou y. This is also in terms of xy, but write in the z0. In place of x you put z and in place of y 0. What you get? This is pi 2. Y kabatti pi 2 minus 6 into z into 0. Totally it is z. Now by Milne-Thomson method, this is the formula equation 1. Substitute here pi 1 z0. This is pi 1 z0. z0 is 3z square plus 3 minus 0. Plus I into pi 2 z0 means 0. So ఇది రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ప్లస్ సి. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్? 3 into z cube by 3, z square integration, and 3 dz means 3z plus c is there. So this is the required function. So this is required function. So you remember ma, pi 1 z0, pi 2 z0, substitute in this formula, you get on integration, this is f of z. Okay.